It has taken me years to try to articulate to business folks and potential customers and people that I interact with, other engineers, on what it is I'm trying to do and why I conflict with them on some, good practices that are offered in the business space, in the engineering space, in the manufacturing space. I've been told I'm very particular about the way I need things to be done, and I cannot. I've never come this close to explaining it, so I'm going to give it a shot. And this is what we're doing with Scuttle, the modular open source robot, which software was always open source. Well, for the last 20 years, it was growing and growing, and that's made into modules, and so people can grab building blocks, and young engineers that don't even know how to do certain solutions can do advanced solutions, and people that are in high school can do solutions that only engineers knew how to build, but they're just copying and pasting, and the modules are free and transferable and duplicated for free. So we are, with this robot, commoditizing custom solutions to anyone's problem and any engineering need across the planet in any corner of the world. And what that means is that there no longer can be someone that forces you to pay a high price for something that's already been done. So what does that mean? Well, if you can build a robot, you can build anything. You can build, so every engineering solution on the planet is made from software, hardware, electronics, computers, some code, okay? And those ingredients are in Scuttle, and Scuttle plus its accessories are a sufficient example to cover like 80% of every solution that existed in the days of the first automobile being created. So if we could get everyone in the world there, and then in a lot of cases way beyond, man. All right, so how do we commoditize custom solutions? We take the ingredients and we commoditize them. So designs, mechanical designs, they're free. It used to be the software and circuit board designs have been free for 10 years now. In a lot of cases, you could always find an example, but hardware is not. And hardware with 3D printing, you basically say, okay, I want a custom hardware. I don't need to pay money for it because the design modules are offered for free. And I can just literally click print on a $200 3D printer and have a mechanical design. Examples. So if you need to pivot your design, but you need something to start with because you're not that experienced, that was unavailable in the past. Now we're making it free, but not just any mechanical design example, an example that is manufacturable on 3D printers in the free range, in the free area. Then we have off-the-shelf parts. That's the only other ingredient we allow besides besides free ones, is commoditized ones. So like brackets and screws and stuff that's the same across the world, those are permitted. Then education, showing people how to make the solutions from the examples, showing people how to use the designs, how to design their own with the same methodologies, okay? That was, you had to go to college, very expensive. By the way, this is the key, 1990, the near future. Well, we're very much in progress. Okay, education. You basically, to do engineering solutions, you had to be an engineer. You needed to have a degree. No one else would educate you on that for free. Now books and PDFs and everything, YouTube is making this free, and we're helping. Methodologies, that is, well, how do we apply this education in the area of our applicable free commoditized elements above? That methodology, we're creating it. It's been done for software. How do you duplicate the software and modify it? There's so many examples like that to make a software solution. But now we're doing that for hardware, and that's something that's very unique on ours. Nobody designs for 3D printing, honestly. Nobody that makes money, no big corporations, nobody that has loads of years of experience in manufacturing, which I do, and that's why everyone says no one thinks that the 3D printing is a sustainable, large-scale way to do a design. So then the methodologies they use to make the parts are suitable for things like injection molding. We're making them suitable for 3D printing. Okay, then translation. What if you don't even speak English? Well, if we digitize all of this stuff as we offer it for free, and Google Translate has already made it, like loads of tools already make these things easy to translate in real time. Now, that's free as well. We put everything into the free column or into the low cost column, and then suddenly the entire custom solution is a commodity. Nobody can charge you more than it's worth. Amen.